Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create your own poll on Instagram story. So you might have seen other people's story on Instagram where they post a poll and you guys can agree or disagree on that poll, alright? Well, in today's video, I'm also gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create that poll, can give opinions on their question, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First thing you want to do is go on your Instagram profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the plus icon at the top left of your screen, which is right above which you gave in, alright? So that's my, Instagram name, but your name is going to be different. Just click on the plus icon, which is right above your name, and click on create story. And over here, you can choose a photo from your gallery or you can click a photo. So I'm going to click a random photo. Once you do that, at the top of your screen, right below the double A, at the side of that double A, you can see a smiley sticker with its bottom right corner peeled. You want to click on it. And over here at the search, you want to write POLL, poll. After you search for poll, over here, stickers, poll, you can see it. Click on it. And it's going to give you, poll. Now over here, you can ask a question. So I'm going to ask, are you good today? And if I want to add another option beside yes and no, I can click on add another option. And I'm going to say, so yeah, these are going to be my polls. So I can click on done at the top right. And to post this poll, I can click on this arrow at the bottom right, click on share, click on done, and it's going to be added to my story. Now I can go on my story over here. This is the poll. Now I can even, interact with it. No, yes, whatever thing I can do and whatever other people who view my story, they want to do. So yeah, that's how you guys can add poll on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.